bazalwane ngekwetigaba tenu mafuthi nema-students egameni likaJesu. Siyambonga uNkulunkulu namhla kuba khona kule ndzawo. Kulisuku lelihle uNkulunkulu lasilungisele lona. Siyakholwa ukuthi laba benathi la bakhonile baka administration kusipha lebese sakusebenta. Kodwa ke konke kuhambe kahle. Ngicela makhelwane ukuthi konke kuhamba kahle. Makhelwane konke kuhamba kahle. Hallelujah. So siyambonga kakhulu uNkulunkulu. Sikhonile kungena kuye John 17, sangena kuye na Romans 8. Kuneliphuba lelincane singakachubeki nemfundzisi angakangene nekuchubeka lekukuhle lokuthi singene kilo because likhona lelefike likutamatise la ngaphakathi kwethu, likhona lelifike likwende lemoyeni wethu. Sihlukene ke nalabacalako nalabakade bagcina kunalaba chubekako simfundzisi kaTheni simi hips. So simi hips lokusikhona bazalwane kodwa ke noma kunjalo simunye kuKristu. Ke siyasibonga ukuthi siyakholwa ukuthi kulesikhathi lesibe naso eating the word kuningi lokube khona because this is not just a passing by moment. Kumcoka ukuthi ungumzalwane uhlale phansi ulidle live la uNkulunkulu because live la uNkulunkulu lisinkwa sekuphila. Sihlale ke sikhuluma ukuthi we have got two bodies. Niyangibona, this is my physical body, but lengekhathi I've got another body, the spiritual body that you cannot see, but we all know that it exists. And siyati ukuthi lona wangaphandle wenda konke la kwendako because there is a drive inside. Fana nemoto nayibona ihamba. Uyayibona le moto nayo ihamba. But you know le moto ayidihambeli. Yebo kona you say hayi imoto ihamba, but ayidihambeli le moto. There is an instructor, there's something that is driving the car. And no matter ukuthi le moto ingaba yinhle kanjani, ibukeke, ibe yinsha, but if the thing that is driving the car ayiphili kahle, it's an actually accident. Why? Because low driver akekho esmen injalo ke nempilo. At times we do face some accidents, not ngoba kunjani, it's because fine uNkulunkulu ukudalile ukhona uyaphila, but the driver inside, the inner man, is not well. Part of logo ukuthi is not well, mhlambe the inner man kune responsibility nje lesuke yasala yaba khona because this body that we have, as we can say this moment, it's a car. Kudzingeka lo driver kube netinfo latendako la kule moto kuze le moto imfikisele la yakhona. We know man is on the journey. Students, do you remember the race of life? So man is on the journey. So as we are on a journey each and every day, lokusho ukuthi ke le moto yami ayibe ngilephilago, ayibe ngilenakekekile, but le moto inakwa ngibani? Ngumnikati. Which means the inner man nguye mbamba, the main person lele kufanele ukuthi yena abe sound kuze anake lo mumfu lo la ngekhaya. If nangabe driver, thank God I've got some drivers here. If nangabe driver, nangabe imoto yakho awukayethi, iyahamba yini? Ayihambi. Because ayina fuel le moto. But we do expect ukuthi impilo yethu ihambe, ibe on the move. Don't get him for the sendagele kahle, don't get him for the hambe kahle. But asgethi. To make an example, for us, Bamfabe School, why are they on uniform? Why are they going to school? It is because, let's call it basically, it's not ukuthi sisale mtimba yabo, but it's naloko ukuthi ke impilo ifanele ibe on the move. Impilo kufanele umfana afikelela la yakhona nako konke. But sibadali, we take it as a responsibility ukuthi abahambe bamfana baye esikolweni bayokwetha imfundo. Because we know ukuthi uma kude lemfundo kunetinto impilo yabo engahamba imenzi. Uyabati laba lokhansi impilo yabo seyimenzi nje because ayina fuel we education. Uyabathi uyambuka lo mfundo mamemele liswane lakhe lenge mafinyelo uyabona nje ukuthi Nkosi yami ayina petrol lolo ekhanza yimela celeni kwemgwaco ngale kweyelo line kusingabe sokwendekeni ke la. The very same thing in life, you find that nihamba niyaphila kubantu kusibani kwakhala nyonini hayi seyiphuma eceleni kwemgwaco ayikwethi wanga i-education. So ke kuyaye kube kumcoka at all times ngokuthi now the inner man lo mtimba lo langekhathi siwunake ngekuwondla because lokudla lelive laNkulunkulu lokuhlalela. So uze usilomnye umbhali, I hunger for God just like as men. I hunger for God we must hunger for God just like as our body hungers for food. Fine nyalo ngiyathi ukuthi labaningi bethu singenile ku fasting but ke noma sik fasting but siyadla. But kuloko kudla ngiloko ukuthi lo mtimba wami wenyama ngiyathi ukuthi in order for the body to get going kufanele ngondle. Ngiphe amaphalishi ngiphe konke lokufanele ukuthola. And mind you siyatla khaya uvama sikhuluma lenzabe ukuthi lo mtimba lo wenyama utadla tinfo tasenyameni noma ke tinfo letichamka emhlabathini. Why? Because nawo lo mtimba ubonakala ukuthi uchamka emhlabathini because when God created man wathatha ludzaka wahlanganisa wabumba kwachamka mina. That's why yonke ke info letawunorisha lo mtimba wami lona wenyama kufanele uchamka emhlabathini. Ngisaye esikhulumeke la khaya ukuthi azange sesive ukuthi kunesifo sokudla tibhidvo kakhulu. Because vele lo mtimba wethu uchamka emhlabathini. So konke lokubuya emhlabathini kufike kunourish because uchamka khona. Okay, even naletilwane lesitidlako, that's natidala ta creator kanjani. Nato they were created in such a manner. So then coming back ukuthi ke now because lo mtimba wami uchamka emhlabathini ufanele udle. So the very same thing lokho ukuthi my inner man uchamka ezulwini. Siyathi ukuthi thina embambambamba we are from God. We were with God before we came sabasenyamen. So I was with God predestinated ngihlala naNkulunkulu. Angisiyo umuntu lochamkako nje ngichamke emphakatheni ngangikhona before ngibe khona. But there was a moment when my mother and father bahlangana. Kwase ke lento lebeyivele iphila inaNkulunkulu ihleli naNkulunkulu iphelele inaNkulunkulu. Yase seyathathwa kenyalo seyifakwa la kuloku bomake nababe lese bakwakhe lesikhwama. Kwathathwa kwafakwa. I've been hearing some debate. Abortion. I really like because impilo yemuntu ayiqali nasekabelekiwe. That's why you cannot abort umuntu. Sike sakhuluma ke nama students ukuthi even if noma ngabe you were born kwachamka ngathi ngendlela thiteni le kanjani but uNkulunkulu wenda na info naye ukuthi yena wathi nje ukuthi kwaze kwahlangana the male seed and the female egg or the female soul. Wathi uNkulunkulu ukuthi kwaze kwaba ngaloko kwendeka nje lokho emhlabeni ngathi uNkulunkulu wavala lamehlo nje waba blind. Kuthi okay kwaze lokho ngithu kwathi bha kwahlangana mina ngithatha umuntu lekazi abakhona lengamhlela impilo ihambe kahle amkhonde uNkulunkulu amathi le program yakhe lenhle nekuhlala naye emaphakatheni avele nje aquphe ngala afake kuloko sekuhlangene. Setyompintsha neshokini ke nasekatalwa lo muntu lo ukuthi bekungephandle kwemshado beba semagwaveni beba rephana bebangakaplanelwa lokho todibana le ekuphumeni but lendfo lengene kulendfo lebeyakheka nakuhlangana the two seeds iphelele yaNkulunkulu yinhle futhi lelicebo liphelele lelicebo. That's why most people as much as wena ungakhala ube like hayi mina vele ngatele kanjani hey there are people abathi noma ngabe batele from rape bateleka kanjani bona babona lokuthi noma ngabe ngatele kanjani lengikwatiko uNkulunkulu wasuka ngasuka ezulwini nginelicebo leliphelele and they fought umuvu athi mina ngikhulanga nababena maka mina ngakhuliswa ngogogo mina ngakhula nje mina bengakahlelelwa but lo muntu nangiya is either is a president is either is a prime minister he's whatever that he can be. Why? Because he defied the odds ngokuthi lesikhwama sakheka kanjani wa discover ngokuthi before yini uNkulunkulu la ithatha while. That's why impilo mbamba ilengekhathi not the outward how do you look. Even noma ngabe you are being bullied off your looks ukuthi yebo vele mhlambe ngachamka ngatalwa kubatali lababonakala ukuthi bede tibunu banemgqondvo vele ngathatha lama jeans abo but lendfo lelengekhathi ayitifanwa ngetibunu netibuko whatever that can be kusemehla akho makhulu kanganani inhloko yakhe ikhulu kanganani because kona kuphelele akuyi ngokuthi lo mtimba ubonakala ukanjani. So that's why you say, it is therefore important ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi ngiyati lento lelenge phakathi kwami lokho ukuthi iyachama uNkulunkulu futhi iphelele. Therefore, because lento lenge phakathi kwami before ingenela nyameni iyayihlala naNkulunkulu, iva uNkulunkulu, imati uNkulunkulu. That's why nasikhuluma indzaba yensinziso ngokuthi sitalwa kabusha. Per se, it's just the realization yokuthi mina mbambamba ngangiphila nababe ngihlala nababe. So kusuke sekusikhathi sekusundvuta sekubuyisela lento levele ayati uNkulunkulu layifaka enyameni, because now ukhumbula kahle kutalwa kabusha shinje emehlo akho. No. Tinwele? No. Tinyawo? No. Akushinjanga. But there is something that you felt in within. Something has discovered its DNA. The inner man. So okay, because the inner man uchamuka zunavela uNkulunkulu. So okay, the best thing for the inner man ngiloko ukuthi ke phephela lokudla kwawo. Because lo muntu lo ngekhathi angeke umuphi lettuce na ileta ungena la. Angeke uzumuphi lettuce, angeke uze umuphe macanza, angeke uze uphe inyama. Lo inner man nawo kufanele udle kudla kwalela achamuka khona. So at every moment when you come to this place, please, if I would ask that you record this deep within. So at any moment when you come to this place, the reason that as namakorasi as nani kunjanje ayo ngoba singakwati hlabela keyboard ikhona lapha nako konke mfundisi niyamathi nemasithi zakhe niyawati uyakwati hlabela, but the main thing is naloko ukuthi etikhatsini tekugcina kude indlela yekuphila if nangabe lemvo lelengekhathi ingalati lelivi leyadalwa yabangilo. We must be acquainted with the Father. John 17, I think it's imfunzile. Babe khatimulisa indvodzana yakho. Lapha lonke ini indvodzana. Indvodzana in John 1 verse 1. Eceleni wayekhona ulizwi wayeNkulunkulu. Which means definitely when I spend time with the word, it's how I acquire the being or the DNA of being the Son of God. So here in this place, nasekhaya, because we won't be here forever. Nasekhaya noma sesibuyele. Nangalinye langa nangasiphi isikhathi asinga singake siyekele kudla livi la uNkulunkulu. We have got a lot of distractions these days, but please make sure the inner man is fed. In fact, prioritize what is the main thing empilweni. The inner man is fed. Kunendlela ke lesitawuyenda cishe. Okay, Tina, we have been doing it for a longer time. So just to pray, because but if you're not willing to pay the price to make this thing your own, God, I remember the prayer that I was doing all night prayer. I think Thina singamaswati akusasona ukuthi dlanini, thina singamaswati siyawudla umculo, siyalidla lelive la uNkulunkulu, because uNkulunkulu bekade kusinakuthiwa eSwatini is the pulpit of Africa and the whole world. Bekade ukuthi nasidla lo mculo sihlala la vini lakhe, definitely we are going to be the sons that he wants us to be, because the pulpit is not the king, the pulpit is not the government, the pulpit is not those people who are in top. The pulpit is you. Only when the word of God occupies you and you become logo uNkulunkulu langeko, thus you are the pulpit, and that is the open grace uNkulunkulu la iniketa nje ukuthi mave emhlaba onke akhona. But if liswati litawutinikela lidle live la uNkulunkulu, you will know wherever you are you're going to be the pulpit. Even if you ngakhuluma nebantfu ebhansini, you will feel that I am the pulpit, because lelivi ligcwele ngaphakathi kwami. You go to church, you go to school, you go wherever, you will feel, even into my students, even during our times, you will know, even when we step around, we move around in the school, we knew that when they were seeing us, we were the pulpit. I was telling somebody, the word has got dignity, has got death status. So asingahlukani nelivi noma nini noma ngabe kanjani noma ngabe kwendegeni. In fact, you can even make it a covenant. Before I feed my outer man, I will feed my inner man. Because once you do that as the first early assignment of the morning, there is one thing we were chatting about when I was reading the book of Genesis. Isaac had the order of setting. What was the order of setting? It was that Isaac begatina bahamba, because these people were nomadic. Begatina kafiga la enza wen afige. The first thing that he will do, nakafika in a new place. What will you do when afika enza weni? Uqala kufika nje kuthiwe nasi siganga ungakhona kusi hand habit. ungafika wende njani bathi ungahlala la. What's the first thing that you're going to do? Beka lithende lakho kanti uyalo nomadic somebody thatha lithende lakho uyalikhokha emgodlweni wena njani uyalibethela khona utawuhlala khona yabo. Nakunethi imfuyo takho utanato wenda njani utibukela lati ngaba ngakhona. But that was not the case with Isaac. He wasn't doing that way. What Isaac will do, the first thing when he reaches a place, he will first locate an altar. Where is the altar? Where is the place that I will be with God? After locating an altar, he will then come back and set his tent. And after setting his tent, he will then look for a place whereby atawakasbaya setting home. That's the order of setting for every Christian. Before you can locate, first find God, find an altar, the protocol. And once you keep that, I guarantee you won't miss revival. In fact, the revival that is coming, you will be just in that revival because you know who is first and whom you make first in your life. So at this moment, there are these short psalms that we are going to get to. But we are going to have these 14 chapters. We are eating it every day. Recently, I was making a report to Gumfunzis because I'm shocked. These scriptures that we are supposed to eat daily, in fact, they are close to. In fact, for me personally, when I counted them, they were close to 50. And I counted it because it is the 14 chapters. It is the 8 chapters, yale fasting. Let's write that every day. Ngilama 2 chapters, ektandazela emabandla, about John 17. Then we have got the daily covenants that we are having. Then I was adding lawa army that I have. And mind you, if nangabeke kwendekile taba ngumhla 25 like 20 pan, there are more. So in fact, it's more than, for me, it's more than 50 because when I counted those, there were other 9. Then we're given other 9. That's what makes it 50. We're given other 9 recently. So each and every day, more than 50 chapters you must eat. So the best thing to do, even before I touch food, I must start with the word so that I feed. And the rest of the day is left for when I've got my rema. I'm tasked to read the book of Corinthians. So Corinthians is out of the scope of these basic covenants. Bumqoka believe la uNkulunkulu. That's lo makuyathe akaphasina dari nana uyakhuluma ngithatha umgodleni. Kwethiwe leke kazi le moto yethile. Uyayibona ukuthi iyagijima. That's the very same thing. You wanna bakuthathe namhla sicela ube nge-MC. Hawu umuntu da wesikorokoro. Wendondo nalapha ngembili. Ayikethi ayikaseviswa ayiki kumnika 2 inamhle enkonzweni uthi besiyokholwa noma bekwendekalana so vele ubona that's no wonder kunye but nawetha utawuva nawe ukuthi na usikinyinyinyinyi uve nje uthi le moto iyaphi so ngicela ke setheni kube ngumthandazo wethu Psalms 120 to 133. These are 8 verses chapters. Sisukume nje usukume sihamba siwadle siwakhulume siwamemete sithandaze ngawo la ufika khona ukuthi ufake igama lakho na ukuthi Israel la kusutha khona uyakhona ukuthi uvele ufaka igama lakho usenda njalo utabe utithandazela ukuthi inkosi nasethi insukwini tegcina wena uyangivusa ngiyamnaka vele lo mumfu lo lengekhathi ngicela ke sisukumeni sende njalo Psalms 120 121 up to 133.